Hey guys, this is Bring at the farm. Okay, so I am out here in my garden. It is November now, and these are my sweet potatoes. I just took a sweet potato that I had lying around in the house and I just put it in my backyard garden. That's all I did. Like, it wasn't sprouting, it wasn't anything. I just put it in and put it in the wood chips. And this is what's happened here. You can see the sweet potato right here. It's kind of the flesh of it. Well, it's been like freezing at night and all these leaves are starting to die and wither away. So I think it's time to harvest this and see what we have here. I've never grown this before. I don't know anything about it, so it'll be a surprise for me too. Alright, I don't know, you can see where it has grown up through this sweet potato here. This is actually like, seems like it's pretty, I don't know, this is the original one. I don't know if it's done anything at all. Let's see. Okay, so there's that one. Let's see what else do we have down here. Oh, look at all those. All those tiny sweet potatoes. I had no idea. Look at that. Boy, that would have been a ton too. See some more right there. Maybe I'll just leave these here. Maybe I'll rebury this one in the ground. Maybe I'll just put that back in the ground and see what happens next year. I don't know if I want them in this spot, but look at all those little sweet potatoes. They're just kind of growing. Shoot. Well, I'm going to put these back in the ground. I don't know where. Actually, I do know where. I'm going to go put them somewhere else real fast. Let me just pull these out, the rest of them. Wait, there actually grew quite a few of these little sweet potatoes. Those are big too. Look at that one. Oh, that's a good one. Cool. All this is in my backyard garden. So I guess each one of these stems grows a new potato. That's what it looks like. Oh. I think I might have sweet potatoes growing here next year too. Don't really feel any others in the ground. No, there's that one. Huh. And I also put, if you guys remember correctly, I put that big one in the ground. Oh, probably late summer. And this is what's happened. All these little sweet potatoes were growing like crazy. Like, holy cow. Let me just go over here real fast. Oh, there's another one. just breaking off. Can't get them. There's another one. Cool. Well, that's awesome. Okay. So, I guess the plan for next time, I think what I'm going to do right now is just put all of these back in the ground. I mean, I could probably eat that. That's a good size. Look at all these. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, really 25 there. So out from that one tuber, potato, sweet potato, I got like 25 of these little roots that would have formed into like these big potatoes. Okay, well, let's take this and let's just, I don't care, I'm just gonna throw all this back in the ground. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's go do that together, actually, here in the back to Eden garden. All right, let's just put them over here in the ground right here. Let's do that. So you don't have to do much. What I'll do is I'll just place those out and about. Just randomly space them. They're in that row. And then I'll just keep going. And I'll just leave them and cover them up with the wood chips. Yeah, so here's my broccoli. Look at that, it's still going good. My tomatoes are done, like they're dead. Then let's grab these right here. Take these ones. So I want to put my mint lighter garden over where these sweet potatoes are. There's one. And what we'll do is we'll just, I don't know, bury them up with the wood chips. Okay. I'll take this one and this plant. Look at, oh, I missed those right there. Dang them. Okay. Okay. Let's put this big one back. Just put that right there. And then we'll just flip these out. Well, the same. I'll just bury the entire thing. Let's see if it'll grow something. There we go. Okay, let's do that. See, I have all this morning glory. Ugh, hate that stuff. Okay, that's the problem with the back to Eden method. That is the problem. Why the back to Eden method, it's kind of sucky. It's because of those dang weeds that you get. I mean, whoever said you don't get weeds in this garden, they're liars. Because if you think about it, the weeds, what you're doing with the back to Eden method is you are putting down this layer, which is awesome, to try to heal the earth. And all you're doing is, yes, you're healing the earth and stuff, but you're giving habitat to all this morning glory business. And that just sucks. But my soil is getting better. That's why I'm doing it. So there is positives. I would still do it, even again. Okay. And then Put those in. Then we'll put these ones in. Okay, clear the row. You can literally just do it with your hands. It is not very hard. Okay, so I almost have all of these in here. See that, Morning Glory? Look at all those wood chips. It does, like, retains the moisture. I give credit back, like, that is pretty awesome. Let's put those in there, and that one. Well, actually, you know what, let's just put these all in there like that. Sorry about my filming, it's kind of crappy right now. I'm just trying to do this quickly, so I just pulled the camera out, show you guys what I was doing, although the film isn't super high quality. Get rid of that dang Morning Glory. Okay, the problem is like the Morning Glory, the roots will go down like 10 feet. I mean, what are you supposed to do about that? Absolutely nothing. That's the deal. Okay, take these last few, dump them in there, cover them up. That's it. That's all you do. This is Bring Back the Farm. We harvested our sweet potatoes and we replanted them. So you guys can do it too. It's pretty easy. Seriously, it just took me 12 minutes. That was it. You guys saw it all. Anyways, thanks for watching this Bring Back the Farm.